Hello, I wanted to make a little video for you. A couple questions that came up for a student on the homework. And the first one, they're all three from 5.5, lesson 5.5. And this one is number 61. And this is the equation. It's the position D of a block attached to a spring is given by the formula of this. So it's 7 times the cosine of pi over 2 times t, where t is in seconds. So they want to find D, or the position, when t is 1/2 and when t is equal to 4. So if we put t equal to 1/2, this will be 7 times the cosine of pi over 4. And so that would be 7 times the square root of 2 over 2, because pi over 4 is the square root of 2 over 2. That's at 45-degree angle. And at 4 seconds, that would be 7 times the cosine of 2 pi, and 2 pi is 1. Cosine at 2 pi is 1, so this would just be 7. Then number 65 is the voltage in an electrical circuit is given by the function V of t, sine of 3t minus pi over 2. What is the smallest non-negative value of t at which the voltage is equal to 0? So we just want to know when this voltage is equal to 0. So we can put this function into Desmos. I'll show you where I just put it into Desmos here. And I made a table. So at first, let's just say it was, okay, let's say I just typed it in, and it is graphing now, but usually it wasn't scaling it very well. But I just want to know where it's non-negative, so it has to start here, bigger than 0, but when the function is equal to 0, and that's it. It shows you it's at pi over 6. So when t is equal to pi over 6. Now, when you type these functions into Desmos, notice I'm using x instead of t. So Desmos does want an x. So maybe you tried to use this, but you were using t. And then number 69 was the other question. And I have that function up here. I'm going to make a table using this gear so that I can use my magnifying glass and actually see it better. And that one on 69 was a flight path for an airplane. And it wants to know the maximum distance from the airport the plane travels when it's in this particular holding pattern. And so I can just go and zoom out a little bit and see, because it's cyclical, right? That its maximum is right here. And when I click on that maximum, it's actually, if you hover over it, it's actually at 280. So I just hovered over it wrong. So that maximum is actually at 280 miles. So 280 miles is number 69. Let me know if you have any other questions.